to create your social media graphics for your business, then you are in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way how to create your social media graphics using Canva for beginner and non-designers. Type canva.com, and in order to use Canva, you need to have your own account. So make sure you create your account. It's free. They have a forever free plan, of course, with some limitations on what you can use. So they have a free, a pro, enterprise, education, and for nonprofits. So for the purpose of this tutorial, we're gonna be using the free plan. You can choose from down here what social media platform you're gonna be using, whether it's Facebook or if for Instagram, you can choose that too, or your YouTube channel. So you can choose it from here on the bottom to choose the dimensions on where you'll be using, or simply up here in the top, create a design. I would suggest to use what the suggested post rather than create a custom one. In that way, you don't have to memorize the specific sizing for each social media platform. So for Facebook posts, you can go ahead and click this now. So when you click that, it's gonna be white that would come out. So this is like your canvas. So from there, for a beginner, I would suggest to create from the templates that they have. So for this coming Mother's Day, they have a lot of Mother's Day template here. So you can choose from here, Mother's Day template. If you like this one, it says free. You can see that from here, free. So there's a lot even for just the free template. So if you like to choose this one without a photo, you can click that. Happy Mother's Day. And to make this your own design, you can click this background here. You see the blue outline. That means that you are changing the background. And then click the color up here, background color in the top. And from there, you can change from the default colors that Canva has, or you can choose a new color from here. You can choose orange from red, this color palette, and the numbers is the hex number color. So you can choose it from here. So if you have a brand, specific color, and you can just put here your hex number color. So you can choose pink from here for the Mother's Day. So you see how that changed. Okay. And if you like to personalize this more, you can change the font here. First, you just have to highlight this word happy. And once that's highlighted, you go up here to change a different font that you like. So example from here, Lato. So you have to wait until this becomes a check mark. So now it's checked. So now that's Lato. And then you can change the size as well of the font from here. You can make it bold. For this font Lato, you have the option to bold it, to make it italics, or to underline. Some fonts doesn't allow you to do that. But for this font Lato, you can do that. So just like here for the word day, make sure you highlight it and change on the side Lato and bold it. And you can change the sizing of this from here. Okay. This flower. Oh, I think this is for this is not a free plan. If you see that, that means that you have to pay to upgrade on that one. So let's choose a different one. Okay, this bird maybe. Okay. So this design overall is okay for the free plan, but the photo, the bird, is a pro plan. So if in case you like a design and the photo will not allow you to use, you just have to click on that photo and delete that one. So it appears like that, and click photos on the side over here. And you can type here mother. So if you see this crown, that means that's a pro plan and you have to pay extra for that. But you can type here free month. I think most because if it's Mother's Day, most of these are okay. This one is a free plan. So here you just have to put that photo where there was earlier this clouds. You just have to drag that photo. See, you just move that and it's there. Now you can make this photo bigger by stretching the edge of that, and you can move it around to center it, and then double click it, and there it's. You can also change the size of the photo by putting the cursor on this border here, so to adjust that. So if you want to change the background again, just like what I've shown you earlier, you can click here the background and choose the color that they have on default, or you can choose a new color from the palette on the top. So if you want to change that, and you want to make it lighter, so there you go. And to change the font, all you have to do is to highlight it, and we can choose this Alora, so you can make it like that. And again, you can also stretch this design like this. So you can do that. You can do that, and you can also add some elements to here. You can add a flower if you want. You can type here flower. This one is a free, so you can use that. You can put it here. You get more. This one is free. And you can change the size by dragging it sideways. And most of this has you have to pay it with that pro plan. So, and if you like the size and the on this flower, all you have to do is click this one to duplicate. This on the top near the trash. You can click again. It says duplicate. You click that, and you can create plenty of this. Now, if you don't like, example, it's too much, all you have to do is click on that element and up. Make sure that the element has these dots around the corner and click delete. So that's the way it would go. So I hope this tutorial helped you in making your social media graphics. Thank you for watching.